What's the meaning of amuse gueule? Amuse gueule. Amuse gueule. Amuse gueule. Amuse gueule. Amuse gueule.
Amuse gueule is a French term that refers to a savory bite-sized appetizer served before a meal. The literal translation of the term is, amuse the mouth. These small, flavorful bites are meant to stimulate the appetite and provide a preview of flavors to come. They can be anything from a simple cracker with cheese to a more elaborate dish like foie gras. The amuse gueule is often a showcase of the chef's creativity and skill in combining flavors in unexpected and delightful ways. Overall, it is a luxurious and enjoyable start to any meal.